Hi everyone, Tamilnadu State Board Class 10 board paper oda video solution 2019 math paper நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். So 1 mark question number 3 numbers and sequences ங்கிற chapterல இருந்து வந்திருக்கு. Concept tested is geometric progression. The common ratio of the geometric progression of these three terms a raised to the power of m minus n, a raised to the power of m, a raised to the power of m plus n என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ரொம்ப simple question. Just going to walk you through the steps. இதுக்கு நீங்க டைரக்டா பார்த்தே ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும்னா பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருங்க. Right? Let's get started. What is the geometric progression? A geometric progression is a sequence in which every consecutive term is obtained by multiplying a common value to the preceding term. So first term AR இருந்தனா second term will be AR where R is called the common ratio. Third term is going to be equal to AR square. So essentially the second term divided by the first term போடனா AR divided by A will give us the common ratio. இல்ல third term divided by the second term AR square divided by AR போட்டாலும் we're going to get the common ratio. இங்க வந்து A cancel ஆயிட்டு we'll have the common ratio. இங்க AR will get cancelled with AR to leave us with the common ratio. So common ratio வந்து ஒரு geometric progression எப்படிலாம் கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? We can find it out as A2 by A1 or as A3 by A2. Essentially the ratio between any two consecutive terms is the same. ரெண்டாவது டேர்முக்கும் முதல் டேர்முக்கு இருக்கிற ratio will be the same as the ratio between the third term and the second term and so on. So what we'll do is we'll use the rule of indices to rewrite these three terms, right? First and last term na rewrite பண்ண போறோம். A raised to the power of m minus n is actually equal to A raised to the power of m divided by A raised to the power of n. இது வந்து first term rewrite பண்ணிட்டோம். Third term அதே மாதிரி எழுதினோம்னா A raised to the power of m plus n is equal to A raised to the power of m into A raised to the power of n. So in the rewritten formula, let's write the three terms. So the first term is a power m divided by a power n. Second term is a raised to the power of n. The third term is actually a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. Let's go back to the previous slide. இங்க என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கோம்? A3 by A2 should give us the common ratio அப்படின்னு இருக்காங்க. A2 by A1 கொடுக்கும். இது easier to work with A3 by A2. A3 is equal to, common ratio is equal to a power m times a power n. This is the third term divided by the second term is actually a raised to the power of m. Sorry, a raised to the power n ன்னு எழுதியிருக்கேன். A raised to the power of m is the second term. So a power m gets cancelled with a power m. So the common ratio is equal to a raised to the power of n. Right? இது இத்தனை ஸ்டெப்ஸ் எழுதி நான் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தோன்னே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். இதோட ஒரு a power n மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா you'll get a power m. அதோட ஒரு a power n மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா you'll get a power of m plus n. So it's easy. பார்த்தே ஆன்சர் சொல்ல முடியும். பட் யாருக்காவது இது எப்படி பார்த்தே ஆன்சர் வரும்னு தெரியலனா these are the steps to follow.